you felt this on the side of the airplane, you knew that the anti-aircraft was getting close to you. You're bringing back memories. I'm just thinking about what you used to have to do. Well, that was a feeling that could never be described. You knew that your life had changed, and it changed overnight. I mean, in some very big ways. I was in training to fly 4-engine airplanes, the B-17, and I had a year to go before I would be able to land a B-17. And Pearl Harbor came along, and I immediately became qualified in any 4-engine airplane, whether I'd ever heard or seen of it. I was 22 years old. When you're in the middle of the thing, you don't know that you're being bombarded continuously, and you just grow up automatically. You grow to fit the situation, and the next thing you're at war, and the next thing you're over a bombing target, and the next thing there's anti-aircraft shells going all around, black puffs going off around here, and up ahead of you, and you just flew through it. You get so immune to danger that you sort of consume it. I have 3,000 hours sitting in this chair. 3,000 hours is a year and a half of work. Yeah, I flew it so much that it was second nature to me. I do remember lining up to takeoff. You had to get one of these windows in line with the line down the runway, and you give it the throttles and you keep the runway in that window, and with a little bit of brake, keep it going straight. And when you got up to speed, with the rudder you could control it. That's the northern bomb site. I'll be damned. This is a fully equipped bomber. I speak to high school students every now and then, and I tell them things were going to happen to them that were just was a happening that they never expected. But I said, you got to be prepared to take advantage of them. You got to be prepared.
With so many years between then and now, how does it feel to have this type of outpouring of gratitude from the citizenry of the country?
It brings tears to my eyes right now. Just for you to say that, I'm sorry.
That was not a... Well, it's
we're not forgotten.
No. Yeah.